Yes, man.
Something alright, yeah.
No, man. When you see them thing, you know, you have to be real with yourself and say, you know, say only some race of people alone will do this. White people are uno me attack. If you don't know, I watch this, you probably not even understand what me I say, which is good. Because I don't love report things. So you have to tell me, say, at the time of Uno coming up with this idea, right? No clean cups or bowls were available for you to use. Oh, this, Becky? Yeah, Mandy one door. No, I have to go check. Yo, bowls!
Yeah!
Becky and Mandy said they want to do a little thing. Nobody that available for go.
No, you know, Poopa, you know, say it's not gonna work. Yeah, we have some serial festival that keep on. You have to probably link up cup them.
Yo, cup, honestly.
But then you know, say that now gonna make door. I better them try if you just deal with all the toilet if that can work, you see me?
Yeah, them said, you probably have to go link up toilet bowl about that. And I could understand if this was a brand new toilet, not go up on it, fresh out of a toilet factory, and this is a publicity stunt. But if this was a toilet that was in use and uno do this, like in algebra, I want to know X, but not only X. I want to know why. In my opinion, what this do is prove to me that as a race, white people do more foolery than the average person. Becky and Mandy, you just get up, right, and feel for make a dookie smoothie. And you just do it.
Mandy, I was thinking that we could, you know, like make a dookie smoothie. Maybe like a banana nut dookie smoothie. Oh my god, ditto. I was thinking the very same thing. Only thing I was thinking about marshmallows and maybe a little bit of pee-pee.
You're not afraid of God. I wait for uno immune system fortified with vibranium?
Raw born idiot.
I'm not gonna go too long. I have to just understand, say, this is white peopling. That is it, people. Thank you for your videos and pictures and whatever suggestions you send in. I beg you, when you not send me them thing, warn me. Let me know, say, this video or picture may contain white people doing foolery above average. Hit the like button and the share button. Definitely subscribe. This is K2KShorts. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.